How to maintain your Alfa sewing machine. Shuttle. One, tilt the machine. 2, remove the shuttle. 3, clean off dust and any remaining dirt. 4, check that the bobbin has no burrs or scratches from use. 5, put a drop of oil on the rail and turn the hand wheel. 6, reassemble the shuttle. The pivot should align with the hole and the plate should be turned inward. Feed dogs. 1, remove the presser foot. 2, unscrew and remove the needle plate. 3, clean off dust and any other dirt. 4, check that the needle plate is not chipped. Needle. 1, check that the needle is not bent, dull, or broken. 2, if the needle is damaged, you'll need to replace it with a new one. Always remember to use quality needles. Thread wiper. 1, remove the side button from your machine. 2, unscrew and remove the casing. 3, clean off dust. 4, put a drop of oil on the moving part and turn the hand wheel. Always remember to use quality threads. 5, replace and screw the casing back. Place a piece of paper to absorb excess grease, and use a piece of fabric the first time you sew, as the machine may continue to stain.